Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this in 2026 and you want to start affiliate marketing for beginners with no website, you're in the perfect place. You don't want to deal with building complicated websites, learning coding, or spending months on technical stuff. You just want a simple way to earn real commissions as a complete beginner. Today I'm showing you exactly how to do affiliate marketing for beginners in 2026 with no website required. I'm going to introduce you to a complete business-in-a-box system that pays instant $200 commissions per sale using powerful AI tools and done-for-you faceless content. This is one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly affiliate marketing opportunities available right now. My name is Alex, and in this in-depth video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how complete beginners are crushing affiliate marketing in 2026 with no website using the daily income method. Stick with me until the very end because I'm giving you the direct link in the description and pinned comment so you can get instant access and start your affiliate marketing journey today. If you're ready to learn real affiliate marketing for beginners with no website in 2026, this could be the game changer you've been looking for. Let's dive deep into this. Affiliate marketing in 2026 is still one of the best ways to make money online. But most beginners get stuck because they think they need a website, a big email list, or technical skills. They waste months trying to build funnels or learn SEO and never make their first commission. The truth is, you can succeed at affiliate marketing for beginners with no website if you have the right complete system that provides everything for you. That system is the daily income method, created by Mac Mills. This is a ready-to-go affiliate marketing business in a box, specifically designed for beginners who want to earn $200 commissions per sale without building any website. You promote high-converting offers using free traffic methods, AI-powered tools, and done-for-you content. Every sale you refer pays you $200 instantly and directly. No website needed, no hosting fees, no technical headaches. This is perfect affiliate marketing for beginners in 2026 because the entire system removes all the usual barriers. You focus only on posting content and collecting commissions. Let me give you a complete, detailed breakdown of everything you get inside the daily income method, so you can see why this is ideal for affiliate marketing beginners with no website. You start with the full daily income method training program, a clear A to Z, step-by-step blueprint created specifically for affiliate marketing beginners. Mac walks you through his proven system for generating consistent commissions without a website. The modules cover account setup, using AI tools effectively, content strategies for free platforms, how to send traffic to your affiliate links, tracking your earnings, and scaling your affiliate business. Everything is explained in simple terms so even total beginners can follow along. Inside the training dashboard, you'll see real examples of earnings, including snapshots showing $532.75, proving that beginners are making serious money with this affiliate system. One of the most powerful features for affiliate marketing beginners with no website is the massive 100,000 Faceless Reels library. You get instant access to over 100,000 ready-to-post, high-converting short videos. These reels are professionally created and optimized to promote the daily income method and drive sales through your affiliate links. You simply download them and post to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, and other platforms. No website required, no blog to maintain, no funnel building. Just post the done-for-you content and let it send traffic straight to your links. Many beginners are posting 5 to 10 reels per day and seeing their first affiliate commissions within days. In 2026, this short-form content strategy is one of the fastest ways to succeed in affiliate marketing without a website. You also get the viral reel and hook script generator, an AI-powered tool that creates original viral hooks, full scripts, and captions in seconds. You input basic details, and the tool does all the creative work for you. This is perfect for affiliate marketing beginners who don't want to write content themselves. Another excellent bonus is the AI Mastery training, where you can clone yourself using AI. Generate photorealistic professional images for your profiles or thumbnails without any design skills or being on camera. Everything stays faceless and simple. You receive the secret black book of email swipes, 222 proven email templates and subject lines that actually convert in 2026. Use them to set up automated follow-up sequences that continue promoting your affiliate links even while you sleep. Plus, you get the Facebook Profile Growth Guide that shows you exactly how Mac grew his profile from 0 to over 41,000 followers. This gives you another powerful free traffic source for your affiliate promotions without needing a website. All of these tools and resources are organized inside one clean, easy-to-use dashboard at dailyincomemethod.app. When you log in, you'll find your personal affiliate links, multiple high-converting landing pages, lead capture tools, video follow-ups, real-time commissions tracking, and the live leaderboard. It is truly a complete affiliate marketing business in a box that requires no website at all. Here's the exact, simple, step-by-step process for doing affiliate marketing for beginners in 2026 with no website using the daily income method. Step 1. Click the link in the description and pin comment right now. This takes you directly to the Daily Income Method checkout page. Complete the one-time payment and you get immediate lifetime access to the entire system. Step 2. Log into your dashboard and watch the welcome video, plus complete the quick system setup. This takes only 15 to 30 minutes. You'll activate your unique affiliate links and choose the landing pages you want to promote. Step 3. Start promoting immediately. Download batches of Faceless Reels from the 100,000 library. Use the viral hook script generator to create extra content when needed. Post 3 to 5 pieces of content every day on free platforms. All the content is pre-made to drive traffic straight to your affiliate links and the high-converting landing pages. Step 4. Set up the automated email follow-ups using the proven swipes. This keeps working for you 24/7. When someone clicks your affiliate link and buys, you get paid $200 instantly. Many beginners start seeing 1 to 3 sales per day once they build consistency, which adds up quickly. This entire process is built for affiliate marketing beginners with no website. The AI tools handle content creation, the done-for-you reels handle the selling. You simply post and collect commissions. Real beginners are already succeeding with this affiliate marketing system in 2026. The member dashboard shows live commissions and a leaderboard with people who started with no experience, now earning daily. Mac Mills has paid out hundreds of thousands of dollars in commissions because the offers convert well and deliver massive value. Let me address the most common questions beginners have about affiliate marketing with no website. First, is it really possible without a website? Yes. In 2026, short-form video content on platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram has become one of the most effective ways to do affiliate marketing without ever building a website. Second, do I need any technical skills? No. The system is designed for complete beginners. Everything is provided. You don't need to learn coding, design, or SEO. Third, how much time does it take? Most members run this successfully with 1 to 2 hours per day. It's very flexible for beginners. Fourth, do I have to show my face? Absolutely not. The entire system is faceless, using the Reel library and AI-generated images. Fifth, are there ongoing monthly fees? No, you pay once for lifetime access to the dashboard, tools, Reel library, and all training. This makes the daily income method one of the smartest choices for affiliate marketing for beginners in 2026 with no website required. If you've watched this far, you're clearly serious about starting affiliate marketing and earning real commissions. You don't want to waste more time on complicated methods that require websites and technical skills. So here's exactly what I want you to do right now. Click the link in the description and the pinned comment. Go to the Daily Income Method sales page, review all the details, and secure your access today. Once you're inside, watch the welcome video, complete the quick setup, download your first batch of Faceless Reels, and start posting your affiliate content. Your first $200 commission could come much faster than you expect. I'm here to support you every step of the way. Drop any questions in the comments after you join, and I'll help direct you to the right training inside the member area. If this video helped you understand how to do affiliate marketing for beginners in 2026 with no website, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future affiliate marketing training videos. Thank you so much for watching this complete guide on affiliate marketing for beginners with no website in 2026. I truly believe the daily income method is one of the best and easiest affiliate systems available right now. I can't wait to see you inside the dashboard celebrating your first affiliate commissions. Go click that link right now, get full access, and start your successful affiliate marketing journey today. I'll see you on the inside. Take action, stay consistent, and I'll talk to you very soon.